I purchased a Bendpak Ranger DST2420 wheel balancer from ASE Deals to replace my Bendpak 1500 that gave me 20 years of service. ASE Deals has a complete line of automotive service equipment at competitive prices. I bought my HD9XW lift and my tire changing machine from ASE Deals too. You can find them online at www.asedeals.com. When you purchase a piece of equipment like this, you have different shipping options. You can pick it up at the terminal if you have a pickup truck. You can have them deliver it in a tractor trailer. If access is an issue, you need to select a place close to you where you can meet them. You still need a lift to get it off the truck. You can also have it sent by liftgate. So they'll have a gate that they can lower it down to the ground, but you still need to be able to pick it up and get it to your house or your place of business. This machine is being delivered right now by FedEx. Let's go meet them and take it off the tractor trailer. Here comes the FedEx freight man. So that's what it looks like when it comes off the truck. Here we'll drag it back up to the house. But it's in one piece, looks good. Okay, so we're going to bring it in. We're going to stick it right over there. Well, there it is. We got it in, and in a little bit here we'll unpack it and see what we got. Get the accessories out of there, and we're going to move it into place. Okay, so what I did was I put a dolly under one side, and with that I'm just marked the floor, drill some holes and put some new anchors in, and then we'll unwrap it.
And there's a packing list. That packing list shows everything that's packaged with the wheel balancer.
This is any vibrations and improves the accuracy of the wheel balancer.
I use these bits, the Medark multi-bits. They're really good in concrete. They just fly right through it.
The rest of the unpacking, and we're going to take off the hood assembly and the weights and start working on the assembly of the wheel balancer. The hood and set it aside. There it is. We're going to install the hood bracket. You're going to need a 9/16 wrench. And I use a drop of blue Loctite on every bolt to make sure they don't come out. And in the back of the machine, that's where it goes, and that wire connects to the switch in the hood bracket. Looks like when it's mounted, you can see the spring from the top. The connector is attached and is out of the way of the spring assembly. I also used a level because it's possible to shift this slightly to make sure that the bracket is actually level to the floor. I'm going to give it a blast of synthetic lubricant because it's compatible with metal, plastic, everything, and that should better. I tucked all the wires in, and now I'm going to put this cover with those Allen screws onto the switch box. The switch box cover is on. Now it's time to mount the hood arm. In the shaft, there's two detents, and in the arm, there's two set screws. And those set screws in the arm just fit into those detents in the shaft. There's two holes. That shaft is held on by those two set screws. So we're going to put that on. And you can hear it actuates the micro switch as it raises and lowers. So that works. The thing to install is the main shaft. So we're going to locate that now, and let's take the packing material off, and we'll make sure we clean the mating surfaces so they line up properly. You can put them right on these storage pegs on the side of the unit. You'll see there is an alignment mark here and an alignment mark right there. And you line the two of them up, and you tighten the big bolt in the end with the large Allen nut. Next thing we're going to do is put a plug on it. I have both 220 and 110. I'm going to run it on 110 because I have a socket right behind the machine. So let me go find a plug, and we'll wire this up and fire it up. Okay, the machine's all together. I put on a plug. Let's fire it up and see if it comes on. Oh, it's alive. Next we'll calibrate it. Okay, I mounted up my test wheel that I use for balancing, and it's a 14x7 wheel. And on the balancer here, we've gone ahead and set the distance with the distance measuring tool. And we've input the wheel width, and we've also input the wheel diameter. Start down together till the lights stop flashing. And we close the hood and let it spin. We turn the wheel till all the lights light up. Then we lock it, 100-gram weight on the inner edge, right in line with this arrow. Let's start again. It spins. It stops. Lights to light up. And now we lock the wheel. Start again. And we're going to move those. So the machine is now calibrated and ready to use. So there it is. The machine was very easy to set up. It's a very accurate machine, reasonably priced. You can find this machine online at www.asedeals.com.